Hi there, Veena here from Digital Access Pass. Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you how you can add a blocking quiz to your Lessons in app. What this means is, if you want your students to pass the quiz or complete the quiz, to be able to go to the next lesson in your course, you can add a blocking quiz. And I'll also show you how you can give points to users that complete your quiz or pass the quiz and get a certain grade. All of this is now integrated in DApp's Course Builder. So let's take a look. So this is the DApp dashboard, and here go to Manage Courses page. It will bring you to a page like this. You will find a list of all of your existing courses here. You can click on the Edit button to edit any of your existing courses, or you can click on Create a new course to add a new one. I'm going to click on Create a new course. So give your course a name. Go ahead and save it. So it will bring you to the Course Builder in DApp. Here you can see this is the name of the course description. You can upload an image for your course. Save and next. Select a course structure. I'm not going to go over the details of how to create a course in DApp. You can watch this video right here to see more details in terms of how you can create a course, add lessons, and all of that. So here I'm going to just say modules and lesson and the name of your course outline page. This is the table of content page. So give it any name you want, and users will find a list of all of your lessons and modules on this page. All right, so DApp has created this page in WordPress. Go ahead and save. Billing and access details, I'm just going to say $30 or $40 here. So this is the course template tab, and here you can see there are two options. If you have created content in WordPress, if you want to create your content in WordPress using your own page builder, and you just want to make that content part of your course in DApp, you can do that. That's the default option. That's this option. And in the Lesson Builder tab, you can let DApp know what content is going to be part of this course. You can just select the content that you have already created in WordPress. And this is the new option where you can say, I want to use DApp's built-in template. So let's say I'm going to select this option. And this is the course template. So if you just want to create your entire course, you want to build it right here in DApp, you can do that. This is that option. So I'm just going to select this option. And here you can see the shortcodes are already here for progress bar, for course outline. And so you don't have to do anything manually. Everything is already here. But this is the course template, which means all of your lessons are going to use the same template, so they all look the same. The content is going to be different, but the template is going to be the same. So this is the main template for your course, and there are different elements here. If you want to add something here, you can. Just remember that whatever you add to the course template will be applied to all the lessons in your course, because this is the course template. So you can customize the course template and go ahead and save it. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it. Save and next. Lesson Builder. So here you can add a module, add lessons. So you can start building your course content here. So let's go ahead and add a module. I'm just going to call it module 1, save. Click to add lessons. Give your lesson a name, save. It will create a page in WordPress by this name, but you don't have to do anything in WordPress. You can add your lesson content right here in DApp. So you can see there is a customizer here. You can add different elements to your lesson. So say that you want to add a video, just drag and drop it here. There's already a video here, but you can see if you click on this, it will let you add the embed code. If the source is YouTube, if it's an external video link, you can select that, enter the URL here. But if your video software comes with the shortcode, then you can just select the shortcode element and insert the shortcode there. You don't have to use this video element in that case. And you can add other elements, heading, subheading, all of that here, but I'm just going to go ahead and save this template. Save and return to lessons. Lesson number 1 is here, lesson 1 quiz demo. And I'm just going to add one more lesson. All right, drag and drop content here. I'm going to drag this video here. I'm going to just change this to a different one. Go ahead and enter the embed code. All right, so I have the embed code now. I'm going to go ahead and save this lesson template. So that's it. This course just has one module and 2 lessons, just a demo course. All right, so you can see here there is an add quiz button right here. So this is where you can add your SQB quizzes. So here you can see this is Smart Quiz Builder Manage Quizzes page. I have already added 2 test quizzes here, assessment and scoring. So I'm going to just select this assessment quiz and add it to one of my lessons and show you how it works. So all you have to do is create your quiz in Smart Quiz Builder, and everything else you can do in DApp. So here I have added my quiz. So this is the lesson, and I want to add the quiz to this lesson. I'm going to click on Add Quiz, and this is in DApp. So you no longer have to do this integration in Smart Quiz Builder. You can just do it as you build your course content in DApp. And it says, do you want to give your members points when they complete your quiz? So this is a new option that we have added where you can give users points when they complete the quiz or when they pass the quiz. But if you want to use the point system, you need to have our Game of Points plugin installed and activated. You don't have to do anything else in GOP, but you do have to download and install it because the point system will only work if you have the Game of Points plugin active. So here I have activated the Game of Points plugin. And do you want to give your members points? Yes. How many points? I have set this to 4 points. And should the points be awarded only if users pass the quiz? Yes. How many correct answers to earn points? They need to get at least 2 correct answers to earn points. And do you want to give users points on a retake attempt? So if they are retaking the quiz, do they still get points? So you can say yes or no here. Display message when they earn points by completing a quiz or by passing the quiz based on the criteria you have set. So this message is going to pop up right here in the right corner, bottom right corner of the screen, and it's going to let them know that they have earned points. And step number 3 is blocking quiz. Do you want users to complete the quiz or pass the quiz to be able to go to the next lesson? So that's what the blocking quiz feature will allow you to do. So here you can say, they need to pass the quiz or they just need to complete it. All right. So you can select the criteria here. So if you say they have to pass the quiz, you have to enter your passing criteria. Here I have said 80%. They have to score 80% or more to be able to pass the quiz, and then only they can go to the next lesson. And retake the quiz. Do you want to allow users to retake the quiz? So if you have set a passing criteria, then you should enable the ability for them to retake the quiz so they can retake the quiz and pass the quiz. So do you want SQB to insert the quiz on your lesson page? So SQB will automatically insert the quiz on your lesson page right above the Mark as Complete button. So this is the default option. Otherwise, you can manually insert the shortcode from SQB or that you get here, right here. This is the SQB shortcode. You can insert it on your lesson page wherever you want the quiz to show. Otherwise, you can just select the first option. And here, do you want to display all the questions on the same page or one question per screen? You can select one of these options. I'm going to say all questions on the same screen, on the same page, and configure display options. Do you want to display like a start screen on the lesson page, or do you want to just display all the questions? So this is switched off. I don't want to display a start screen. And do you want to display the final results after the quiz? So you can select this to yes if you want to show them the final results after they complete the quiz. So do you want to display correct and incorrect answers? You can set this to yes or no. So here I have turned this off. I'm going to actually go ahead and turn this on. And that's it. Go ahead and save it. Save successfully. The quiz is now connected to your lesson. All right. So this was the thing I wanted to show you. And save and return to lessons. So I have 2 lessons here. I have connected a quiz here. I'm going to save and next. So here, this is the gamification and automation tab where you can do different things for each lesson when they complete the lesson. If you want to send an email, display a message, display animation, all of this gamification related stuff you can do here. And course points, if you want to give them points when they complete the course, or if you want to give them points when they complete a specific lesson, you can do that too here. All right. So, and you can award badges. So let's skip this one, go to next tab, notifications. So here you can enter the contents of the email that you want them to receive when they sign up for your course. That's the welcome email. If you want to receive an email when someone signs up for your course, enter your email here so DAP can notify you when someone signs up for your course. Course reminder emails, this is also a new feature. Pretty cool option because this will allow you to send an email reminder to users, to students that have started the course or that have enrolled in the course but didn't start yet, or they started it but didn't complete it. So you can set this to yes, and there are different options. Send this email if the user has not accessed this course in how many days. So if they have not accessed in say 7 days, I want to send them a reminder. And you can also set a max limit in terms of total number of times a reminder will be sent to them, and it will not be sent, DAP will not send it right away. So the first email will be sent if they have not accessed in 7 days. And after that, 7 more days later, if they have still not done it, DAP will send it one more time if the max limit is set to 2. All right, that's how this works. So from name, email, and the email content, you can add here. You can see these are all the different merge tags that DAP supports. You can click on this to get a list of all the merge tags you can use in this email. But the idea is to let them know that they started this course name is a merge tag here, but they have completed how many lessons. So DAP will automatically let them know that they have completed, for example, 2 lessons. but they still have 3 more lessons left to go. So you can let them know that you're almost there. And here's the lesson link so they can continue on. And it will send them the last lesson they were on before they left. You can also send them their login credentials in the same email so they have everything in one place and they can just log in and get started. Save and next. All right, certificates. If you want to award users a certificate when they complete the course, you can do that. Settings. Let me go ahead and save it. Settings page where you want to send them when they log in. And that's it. So now you can check the course outline to get started with the course because that's pretty much it. All right, so here you can see there are 2 lessons in this course. I'm going to click on Start. This is the course outline page created by DAP. I'm going to click on the Start to get started with lesson number 1. All right, so this is lesson number 1. You can see there is a progress bar here inserted by DAP, and there is a course outline because this is my course template where I want to display the progress bar and the course outline here. And you can see all I have in this lesson is just a video, and there is this quiz which is showing up here because I have added a blocking quiz to this lesson in DAP. And everything is appearing on the same page because that is my setting. All the questions are here. I'm going to go ahead and complete this quiz and show you what happens. See results. You can see it says you got 3 correct out of 3. So I answered all the questions correctly. It shows all the questions, answers, correct answers, and here's the pop-up. And I have configured this pop-up to show up when users earn points by completing the quiz. Here my passing criteria was they had to get at least 2 correct answers, and this user got 3 correct answers, earned points. So now you can see this message shows up here. This is a configuration I have in the backend. You can update this message to say whatever you wanted to say. Congrats, you have earned points by completing this quiz. And then they can click on the X to exit that and mark as complete to get to the next lesson. Now this is a blocking quiz. They had to pass the quiz to be able to get to next lesson. To pass the quiz, they had to get at least 2 questions right. This user got all questions right. So this user can go to the next lesson. The next lesson button is available. So that's it. This is lesson number 2, the final lesson in this course, just a demo course. And there's just a video here and a mark as complete button that the user can click on to complete this course. So this is how it works. You can see how easy it is to create your course in DAP, build all of your lesson content directly in DAP. You don't even have to go to WordPress. All of the shortcodes are automatically inserted by DAP, your progress bar, course outline, mark as complete. The 3 main shortcodes that you need to have in a course, in a lesson page in DAP, they are all inserted by DAP automatically if you use DAP's built-in template. Whatever is your course content, you can easily add it in DAP. You can connect a quiz. Now you can do this in DAP. You don't have to do this in Smart Quiz Builder. Yes, you do need to create your quiz in Smart Quiz Builder, but the integration between DAP and SQB, you can do it as you create your lesson. You can add it when you're adding your lesson. You can say, I also want to add a quiz to this lesson, and you can add it from right there. That's it. This is how it works. I hope this was helpful. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.